Hi, hello, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. So, most of you might have been confused by looking at the title. Organic chemistry, but CBSE reduced syllabus, almost organic chemistry has been removed. Carbon and its compounds. Ninth mein to no organic chemistry. ICSE, yes, we do have. But why a different video on how to study organic chemistry itself? Okay, let me tell you something today. Harsh truth that organic chemistry is one difficult subject to score. When it comes to scoring, it is very difficult. Why? Because you will study, you will find it easy. It's a one very beautiful subject which is really interesting. Okay, I agree. But you will just forget. It just whatever you have studied, it just evaporates. It's such a volatile subject that you will study once, and after 2-3 days, if you open a book, you will feel like you are looking at that topic for the first time. If this happens, then kahan se milega marks? How will you study? And this is not only for the ICSE 10 students or CBSE 10 students, because as you know, in our channel we have come up with foundation series also, where we want to prepare you for all the competitive exams, and of course organic chemistry is a big part of it. Okay, so we want you to start studying, or the way, or to know the techniques to study organic chemistry, and that is the reason we have come up with few techniques or tips, you might call, which will definitely help you in learning organic chemistry in a better way. So these are few used methods, like I have a master degree in organic chemistry, but trust me when I say it is a difficult subject for me also. Not difficult, but it just evaporates. You won't be able to remember everything. You have understood the topic, there is no doubt in that, but when you want to reproduce it on a paper, it will be difficult for you. So we have come up with few tips which will definitely make it easy for you to learn. Okay, then we'll start. How to learn organic chemistry. Okay, so organic chemistry, it's a one problem, of course, but we will be finding out the answer within few minutes. But let's talk about the general problems which every student faces. What is stopping you from being a very good student? So what are the problems you face when it comes to studying? I have listed down few. Okay, let's see. Doubts. Okay, the teacher will teach. Sometimes it will be recorded sessions. So who will clear your doubts then? Okay, notes. Kahan se milega? Or even if you get it, so if you are preparing your own notes, how do you know that this is right? How do you know that acha 1 mark question ke liye I have to write this much? For 3 marks, how long the answer should be? Test and assignments is so important. Imagine you will just study and you feel like, yes, I am perfect in this topic. How do you know? So unless you can, reproduce it completely on the paper, okay, write it completely on the paper, like with complete satisfaction, how will you know whether what you have learned is right or not, or how much can you remember? So for that, tests and assignments are very important, right? Competitive exams. Should you cover the syllabus first, or should you start with the competitive exams? When? How? From where? These are the few problems related to competitive exams. If everything has been solved, then choice of schedule. The teacher will ask you to attend the class at that time itself. If you miss it, then gone, right? And the choice of language also. Okay, but what if I tell you there is this one-stop solution for all of your problems? Doubts, in class doubt solving. You will have master teacher, class teacher who will solve all of your doubts. Notes and assignments. After each and every session, you will get the notes and assignments, detailed notes, and the tests, it will be done regularly. So once you are a pro subscriber, the competitive exams, whatever the courses we are offering for the competitive exams, it will be free. Schedule, you can prepare your own schedule. So you will have lots of options to choose from. So you will be preparing your own schedule, and choice of language bhi aapka hi hai. And along with that, you have some bonuses also. Yeah, see, where else will you get it? Unlimited live classes. We are not telling you, acha, ek din mein only 3 sessions you have to attend. No, it's your wish. There will be like every day there will be so many sessions going on from of different teachers, different subjects, different chapters. You can join. And crash courses, that is, exams are near, you want to revise it, we will help you with that. Okay, there are lots of crash courses which will help you in revising the chapters. And my most favorite is micro course. So this used to happen with me, that like my teacher, yeah, obviously the syllabus has to be completed, so she would be teaching in the 6th chapter, so I wanted to study the 2nd chapter. But if I have doubts, of course, I can't go and ask her again teach me the same chapter. No one would be ready to. But in this micro course, you actually can study chapter wise any number of times. You have not understood assets, basis and salts, you want to study again, go from whichever teacher you want to learn from at the timings you are comfortable at. So when you are taking all these courses, the tests, assignments, you will get your performance reports also regularly. Not only that, once your session is done, we won't just leave you. We have different Telegram groups where we make sure that the connection between the MT, that is master teacher, and students are not lost. So you can contact us at any time and we'll be always ready to solve all of your doubts. Okay? Yes. So if you're very happy with this, and finally, if you're like, finally her problems have been solved, so all you have to do is just visit this link vdnt.in/ytpro, and this is how it will appear. So choose the grade, 9th, 10th, CBSE, and the target CBSE 2021, ICSE 2021, Maharashtra board, then get the subscription. See here, we have 1 month, 3 months and 6 months plan. Look at how much you will be saving. Save 29% for 6 months, but if you apply this coupon code SURPRO, you will be able to get some additional discount, additional 15%. So amount payable is 11,499, but after the coupon you will be getting it only for 9,774 rupees. So if you feel like it's lot, so just go ahead and do some maths. Just divide it by the number of sessions. It will come around less than 15 rupees. But what are the advantages you are getting? Tests, assignments, notes, competitive exams ke liye. You will start preparing crash courses, long-term courses. So if you like it, just visit vdnt.in/ytpro and apply the coupon code SURPRO. Do not forget to apply the coupon code, otherwise you won't be getting any discounts. Okay, cool. Now hamara first problem, organic chemistry. Yes, let's talk about it. So the first and foremost thing in organic chemistry is the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, so you have to know whenever you look at some structure, CH3, CH2, OH, CH3, you have to be able to, okay, just give me a minute. Yes, you have to be able to name it. Okay, how many carbon atoms are there? What is this functional group? Okay, so first basic thing is you should be very thorough with the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, that is, okay, how many carbon atoms? 1 is for meth, 2 eth, 3 prop. You should know the root names, and okay, there are only single bonds, that means it is ane. If there is double bond, then I have to use ene. And the numbering, there are rules for the naming of the compounds, right? So you have to be very, very thorough with it. That is the very basic point. Okay, then learn, as I told you, learn how to name a compound and how to write the structures from the name of compound. So this is the frequently asked question, not only now in 9th and 10th, even when you are attempting for the NEET exams, NET exams, and also they'll ask the same question. Of course, it will be, the level of complexity will be different, but again they will ask us to write the structure of a compound. That's how important this is. learn how to name a compound and write the structure. That is, I'll give you 2-butane butanol. Okay, so what is this 2? Then how will you write its thing, the structure? Okay, but means 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, ane, that means, which is telling us there are no double bonds or triple bonds. Then all is alcohol, but it is at the second position. That's it. And then balance it by satisfy the valency by using the number of carbon atoms. That would be CH3, CH, H, H. Okay, the compound would be CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. That is the second point. And learn about structures. Okay, so what is this? CH3. So what kind of structure is this? So if you have a structure like this, what is this? Is there a difference? So what is the difference between this structure and this structure? Here you have double bond, here you have 3 double bonds. This is a resonance structure, this is not. This is just a cyclic compound, whereas this is a resonance structure. Okay, learning about the structures, not just memorizing it. Learn, study what are the groups, why is it formed like this, so what is the difference between this and this compound. This is basically benzene, right? Yes, that is the next point. And very important is, when it comes to our organic chemistry, the reactions are not that easy. Like, okay, you will add H2 Mg plus HCl, the reaction will happen, you will get MgCl2 plus hydrogen. No. So you have to use lot of reagents, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, then catalysts. They are very much required to carry out the organic reactions. So just make a list of it. Okay, KMNO4. Okay, alkaline KMNO4, acidified K2Cr2O7. What is its role? So they both will act as oxidizing agent. What is the role of H2SO4 in esterification reaction? It is acting as a catalyst. So write down, make a list of arrange the reagents and list their roles also, so that you won't be confused. Okay, that would be our 4th point. Focus on, this is applicable for all the subjects, all the topics, whatever it is. Okay, focus on understanding, not memorization. This won't work at all. Memorizing, no. Okay, always understand. See, whenever we just write a simple reaction, okay, what I wrote, Mg plus HCl, you are getting MgCl2 plus hydrogen. Okay, right, this is easy to memorize. If I practice, if I write it down for 5 times, I will be able to, remember it. But the problem is, think, understand what is happening here. Okay, the Mg is displacing hydrogen from its compound and you are getting MgCl2 plus hydrogen. Okay, yes, so that is how you have to study. Focus on understanding why the name is methanol. Okay, what is present in that which is making it as, I'm so sorry, I'm not able to write properly. Why it is methanol? What is there in that compound? Okay, so understand. Okay, understand. Okay, whenever you look at the compound also, just, okay, how has it been synthesized? Think, go back. Okay, so you have this compound, I have methyl benzene. So how did they get methyl benzene? Oh, did they take benzene and they added methyl? So from which group did they get methyl? So that is how you have to understand and learn. Memorizing won't help. And organic chemistry is, it's like a long movie where each character has some side story. So what you have to do is follow the plot from start. Like flowchart, okay, and learn it in continuation. See, everything is connected, right? All you have to do is just connect the dots. prepare the organic roadmap. That is, acha, okay. So first, CH4 will be there. It will undergo substitution reaction. You're getting CH3Cl. Then what will happen? So this compound, can it undergo different kind of reaction with some other reagent? So what is it? Okay, write the organic roadmaps. Write it down. It will definitely help you. Okay, so as we are talking about the roadmaps, how to remember, how to understand, so you cannot forget Shakuntala Devi, right? So this 31st July at 7 p.m. Vidya Balanji as Shakuntala Devi is coming live on Vedantu Master Talks with Achievers. So all you have to do is, it's free. Head to click on vdnt.in/genius. Just click on it. I'm sure you already would have are aware of this, but let me just remind you again. So do get it. Okay? Yes. Prepare the organic roadmaps. As I was telling you, you have to connect the dots. Okay, see, it's not like one compound can be synthesized by only one method. There would be different methods, right? If I tell you the very specific reactions, I'm sure if the students, if you are watching, if you are in the 9th and 10th standard, it would be really complicated. So I'm just trying to make it very simple, because once we start with organic chemistry, then I'll teach you from the basics. Okay, don't worry. Okay, but these are the techniques which you can use to master organic chemistry. Okay, just connect the dots. Okay, CH4, from which reaction am I getting? So what kind of reactions will it undergo? Substitution, only substitution? So any other reaction with other reactants, write it down. Here you will get X, Y. Again this X and Y, it will undergo what kind of reaction? So there should be continuation. That's it. Okay, just make a flowchart or roadmaps. They are best. Okay, and work the problems. There will be lots of problems, empirical formula, and and the equations. So practice it. Okay, don't just see how, okay, this is becoming this one, okay, this is reacting with this one, and you are getting this one. Write and practice. So that will really help you. So the information will be stored. Okay, and compile the name reactions and learn their mechanisms. So what happens in organic chemistry, as the reactions are very, very specific, and you have to use the particular temperature and this reagent only, most of the reactions, they have name. Okay, so almost substitution and addition are okay. So you have this esterification and all that. So take the names, write down their names, okay, and then learn their mechanism. So what is happening in this reaction? So if you learn a mechanism for one reaction, one reactant, if you know the mechanism, you can write the same thing for any given compound, right? Don't you think it would be easy? So learning the mechanism would be easy than learning the reactions for all the reactants. If you actually see, just when you look at the compound or the reactant and the product, you have reactant and the product Y. So you should be knowing what are the changes which is taking place in X that is leading to the formation of Y. What is the mechanism behind this reaction? Then you will be able to write the reaction in a better way, because you know the mechanism, you know what is happening. So in what happens in organic chemistry, it is not only transfer of electrons and all that, there will be radicals. So first one very unstable intermediate will be formed, so that will be stabilized when it reacts with one more thing, and you will get some product. Again that will undergo one more reaction. So it's all stepwise. Okay, so if you know the mechanism, it will be very easy. Just write down the name of the reactions and their mechanism for general. That's it. Okay, I'll just take X plus benzene ring. I'm getting X. So how? It's not very easy to add X. It will, like, if you just mix, you won't get that product. Here hydrogen has to be lost, so you should get a positive charge. Here the X has to be converted into an anion, then it will go and react with that part. So first thing, write down the name of the reactions. Okay, you will have this Woods reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. There are so many reactions with actual names. Okay, and all those reactions will have the same mechanism. Woods reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction, same reagent will be used for the different reactants. So that will really help you in mastering these reactions. So that is it. These are the few steps or tips which will help you to learn the organic chemistry or master the organic chemistry in better way. Trust me, if you're just reading or if you're just memorizing, it will never work. Not only for this topic or for any subject. So first and foremost point is understand. Okay, understand what is happening, why. Question yourself, how, why, from where did you get this product? Question yourself and then look at the reaction again. I am sure you will find the answer. And if you have questioned, if you have come up with the answer, then trust me, you can never forget it. It will be stored. Okay, if you're just memorizing HCl, okay, it will react with this, or you're getting this product, then writing it, practicing it. If you know the reason behind this reaction, if you know the reason behind what is the mechanism behind this reaction, it will be very easy for you to understand. Of course, if you understand the topic, then scoring is given, right? So do follow these steps and let me know, was it helpful? Will you be using all these techniques when you are studying organic chemistry? Not only organic chemistry, you can actually use it for all the subjects too, I guess, but this is specially made for organic chemistry. Just let me know in the comment section how was it. Okay, so before, if you have any doubts, okay, how to get into this, how to enroll, how to get the subscription, so once you click on to the link given in the description box, so all you have to do is choose the grade, then the target, CBSE 2021, ICSE 2021 or the Maharashtra board, and this will appear where they have actually given it in detail what are the advantages of getting this pro subscription, and click on get subscription. So if you use the coupon code SURPRO, you will be able to get some additional 15% discount. Along with that, see, 3 months you will be saving 14%, and for 6 months it is 29%. So I would say go with the 6 months subscription, and do not forget to apply the coupon code SURPRO. Visit VDNTIN/YTPro and apply the coupon code SURPRO. That is it. And if you like the video and if you are here for the first time, do not forget to like and share. Click on the bell button, do subscribe so that you will never miss out a video from this channel. Okay, and you can even reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com. So I'll be ready to take all of your doubts. Thank you so much. Till now, it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Bye bye. Take care.